So you like to connect your BS directly here with Roblox Studio. The process actually is going to be really fast. So to get started, usually what you need to do is to make sure that you have the Visual Studio Code installed directly into your computer. If you don't have it, you can always go into a new tab and go directly for the element that says code.visual.studio.com. Fast forward download. Here you can get the free AI code editor that you can get directly either with a Mac, either with a Linux, or even with a Windows. Once you have now choose this element into the upper right corner, you can see that the VSCode user setup will be installed directly inside here. Then you needed to accept all of these elements and make sure that you have installed the registered code and add the actual path in order to continue. Once the installation has now been correctly prepared, it's going to be telling you the actual prompt for making the plugin into this element. Now, of course, I highly recommend searching for and install the Roblox LSP. This extension is going to be giving you a VS Code full knowledge of the Roblox API, giving you perfect autocomplete for things like the game.players or the instant.new directly inside the VS Code. And to finding that, you can always go back directly inside here and look out for the Roblox LSP plugin download, for example. There we go. So once you have those elements working on really fast, I'm going to just go directly inside here, the scripting support, just click directly inside there. Make sure that the installation of the Visual Code Studio is now being working correctly. Just wait a few seconds here and try to roll the page when you actually are successfully finished inside here. To my creator marketplace, I will try to find let's go back directly inside here. I'm trying to make sure that head over directly and navigate to the creator marketplace, so which is the creator marketplace of the Roblox. In here, what I want to be doing here is to try to install the Rojo plugin that you can find, of course, into the creator store. So this specific plugin is going to be helping us and you can open this directly into the actual studio. Now that the code editor is ready, you needed to prepare the Roblox Studio to receive the actual code. So if you open a blank place of your current project into the Roblox Studio, you can always go into the menu bar and click into the View tab and make sure, of course, that the toolbox it's open. So once you have now checked out that element, of course, you have the models, and you can of course check out the actual plugins. And here you want to manage the actual plugins and check out the actual models. So you can find those directly inside here, and you should be seeing that element already been connected. So we needed to create a project folder with the computer when your script will actually live. So you can go to the desktop folder and you can name a new folder and name it something like my Roblox game or something like that directly here into the documents element. And you need to drag and drop the new folder directly into the Visual Studio Code. Open this into the workspace and the VS Code command palette by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-P, and everything will be connected right away. In my case, I won't be doing this at the moment because we have already installed that element there. And basically here the connection between this element of the Roblox and the other has now been successfully scripted and connected. So make sure once again that the view out of it is now been appearing directly inside here. So guys, there you have it. The process actually is not that hard. If you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. And well, hopefully with all this being said, guys, hope we can all see you well next time. See you guys soon.